So today's topic is direct, indirect speech, which is also known as reported speech. Okay. Now let's start with the basic that if two persons are having a conversation, that will be known as direct speech. Alright, and if that conversation is heard by a third person and it is said to other person adding some different words, that will be known as indirect speech. Now let's start with a basic sentence, that how to break the sentence so that it becomes easier to solve the examples. So let me give you an example, that he said to me, I will be waiting for you. Okay. Said to is reporting verb, and else this is in inverted comma is reporting speech. Now we have to break it down. So will is a tense, I is first person and you is second person. So how we will solve it, that he by the rules we need to see and we have to solve the equation. We will come to the rules. Let me solve this example for you. He told me that he will be, so will be converted into would. I will be converted into he would be waiting for me. You will be converted into first person will be converted into second person. So this will be your answer. Now let's go to the rules. Direct, indirect. First we will talk about tenses. Present tense, past tense. Okay, so is, am, are will be converted to past and it will be was, were. So let me quickly give you an example about okay, I am dancing. Okay, so am will be I was dancing. Simple. Okay. Second, they are playing. Okay, so it will be they were playing because we are talking in the past tense. So are will be converted to were. So this is an example of singular. This is example of plural. Okay, I hope you are clear. Okay, so is, am, are done. Then we talk about has, have will be converted to had if we talk in the past tense. Similarly, we can set this as in an example. Then do, does will be did. Okay, now if we talk about this, we talked about present tense and past tense, but if we talk about future tense, then will and shall is added, right? So it will be, when converted to past tense, it will be would and should. Okay, This we talked about present tense. Now we talk about rule number 2, change in subject. One, now what we do when we have to, when we see a sentence and we have to change the subject. So these are the rules for change in subject. So I will be converted to he or she. Me will be him or her. Then mine will also remain as him or her. And you will be converted to he, she, him, her, or maybe they in some cases. Then your will be his, her, them. Then he, she, it, we remains he, she, it, and we becomes they. And our or ours or they turns into they. They remains they only, but if it is our or ours, it becomes they. Okay, now rule number 3. So in case the reporting verbs if begins with will, says, suppose, then there will be no change will be made in tense of a reporting verb. Okay, we are talking about reporting verb. It will be this. ये जो सेट टू और वो सब जो हम यूज़ करते हैं उसमें कोई भी चेंज आएगा नहीं अगर यहाँ पे विल सेज होता है तो. एंड इफ़ इट इज़ अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, अगर इन केस इफ इट इज़ अ यूनिवर्सल truth, then also there will be no change because it's a fact, we cannot change it, right? So according to this rules, let me give you an example so that it becomes very clear. First we will talk about tenses. Okay, let me give you examples of tenses so it's become more clearer to you all. You said okay, she does some work properly. Okay, now how would we change this? So you said will remain you said. Now we will add that she does will be converted to did. So that she did some work properly. Correct? Easy? Okay. Move on to the other example. Okay. My teacher said, comma, okay, it has to be solved. Has, we have to solve it. Now my teacher said that it, now what we have to do with has will be converted to had. It had to be solved. Okay, so in this sentences we are particularly focusing on the tense, that in a particular sentence how do we change tense, so it becomes easier to solve for the students. Okay, second was change in subject. Okay, now we will talk about change in subject, that how we need to change the subject in the sentence. She said, I had done my duty for my family. Okay, now we have to look for I and my. So she said that I will be converted to she, because here it is given she, that she had done, my will be changed to, so it is mine. So done her, see, mine can be said as my also. So it is given her duty for her family. Here also we change mine, so it becomes her, and my again change as her. Okay, so she said I had done my duty for my family. Now she said that she had done her duty for her family. Okay, second example would be you said you will do your work yourself. Okay, so you said that you will do your, will be her or his, do his work yourself will be, sorry, himself. Okay, or yourself, that will be converted to himself. Now last topic is no change in the set. So he says Harry will be crossing the river. Okay, so he says that Harry will be crossing the river. The sentence remain as it is because it contains what? 6. So whenever says is mentioned in the reporting verb, there will be no change in the sentence. Now let's talk about a universal fact, that the teacher said the earth revolves around the sun. Now it is a universal fact, nobody can change that, right? So it will remain like this only. The teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun, because it's a universal truth. So thank you so much.